Right, okay, what are we, Wednesday morning? Wednesday morning. Wednesday morning, we are about to take the ferry. Oops, where is it? The ferry over there, car ferry, over to the other town. Starts with C. So yeah, so right, there we go. We're going to move over. Oops, sorry about that. Sorry, just trying to drive and do all sorts of bits and pieces and stuff here. Right, so yeah, so we're going to take the ferry. So too windy for the drone. We're going to take the ferry over to the other side, spend the day through there, and then, although Mel doesn't want to approach Istanbul from the other side, we're going to come in from the Asian side and stay in Istanbul for the night because we've got an early flight tomorrow morning. So yeah, so anyway, so that's all good. Mel's paying tickets and bits and pieces, so we'll get onto the ferry and see where we go from there. Alright, here we are in Troy. Well, yes, what's left of Troy? The ruins of Troy. Yes. Had about 10 tourist buses turn up at the same time we did, so anyway, I know the sun's going to be on the rise, but there we go, there's a Trojan horse. Right, so we've got tourists for Africa, mostly Asian, but I guess when you come to an archaeological site like this, that's what you get. So we'll have a cruise around, see what we can see, and we might go back into Kanakale, which is the city on this side of the peninsula, and have a look at the warhorse, which they made for the movie. So yeah, anyway, it's a nice day, bit of breeze. We'll see how we go.
Some columns, wall structures, clay pieces and similar, and so you have to start from somewhere. So he commissions hundreds of Turkish, here for...
Right, Eastern Wall. Eastern Wall of Troy. Original bricks at the bottom there from 2500 BC. Lunch again in the mall after visiting Troy. These potatoes seem to get bigger and bigger. It's freaking huge. What did you get? Sid coffee? Ah. And a free tea as well. Awesome. Torpedoes. Great things are torpedo launchers. So Mr. Eli, we've got lots of cannons, lots of torpedoes, That is a mine. The sticky out bits. So the ship would press against the pointy bits, push inside, and which would activate the explosive. And they would float just underneath the surface of the water. No idea what this big huge contraption is here, but we'll have a look. It's a German submarine, or parts of a German submarine. So that's a cannon from 1911, German made. And that was a German submarine, as I said before. And they sunk a couple of ships, and then when they were returning to base they hit one of their own mines and sank. A couple of anti-aircraft guns. That one over here. So you see the person would sit in a seat there, and they would spin the handle. Does the handle move? Yes. Which would then raise and lower the gun, and that's the gun sight that they would use, and then someone would be loading the gun. And they had a net on either side, so they weren't actually there for ships, they were there for nets, and the nets would go across the harbour and they would tangle in propellers of the enemy ships, in this case the British ships, as they tried to sail into the harbour. Over here we've got even bigger guns. Big shooty things is what Mum said, with the turret on the top there. Right, these would be dragged behind something, what is it, 1917, so possibly a horse or a mule or something, with a big shield at the front to protect them. Same with that one there. Maybe some poor soldier or two would have to tow it along. That one's from 1937, so just before World War II. It's got little hatches on the side there to peek out to see.
I don't think we hit the wrong way.
Yes, the cannon there, the end of it's all deformed and twisted. If you have a look inside there, you see all those lines inside the barrel, that's called rifling. And it twists as it goes down the barrel, and it spins the projectile when it comes out, which keeps it straight. So you'll find that most guns will have some rifling down the barrel. Oh, I've never seen one of these before. I saw it from the other side, but basically it goes on the bottom of the warships, if you see the picture there, and they drag it along with a wire, and the wire goes along and catches the mine, the wire that's holding the mine in place, the wee thing at the front there. It cuts it, and then the mines float to the surface, and then the ships can see the mine, and then they sail around the mines. So that's what it is. Looks like an airplane, but it's not. It's designed to go underneath the water and cut the mine wires. Right, this is rural Turkey. Looking for somewhere to actually put the drone up in a nice setting. So Mel's complaining we've lost internet.
Because I'm trying to book your freaking hotel.
She's trying to book us a freaking hotel room. So, yes, hopefully the road doesn't get any worse than this, because the poor little rental car's not going to handle it. doing some maniac driving and more maniac driving and...
And he's trying to run away so he can say what he thinks about his wife.
No, that's right. Less said about that, the better. Yes, we got to like about within 3k's of got to within about 3k's of Istanbul, the hotel we're staying at, and took a wrong turn, and it took us another half an hour to get here. So yes, anyway, we're here. Driving might be a story for tomorrow. So anyway, we're here, get some sleep. Bags are packed actually, so all we need to do is get up, have some breakfast, and yeah, jump in the car and get to the airport. Fingers crossed. We might leave at 7 o'clock. We have to return the car at 9:30. It's only like 10k's down the road, so yeah. Anyway, that's what the story is. Download some photos, back things up, and yeah, get into it tomorrow.